The other day in San Diego on the highway, Brink's truck, he left his back door loosey-goosey, and next thing you know, half the money goes all over the highway, right? So these people, they're filming themselves as they're picking up money like idiots.
It was raining money on a California highway today.
Of course, they did not know that it was a Brink's truck. They just see money on the ground and they just think it's just sent from heaven.
This is the most insane thing I've ever seen. Someone drop money all over the freeway.
But mother truckers, all I have to say is, you know, nothing in life is free. If you see a whole bunch of money on the ground and you're thinking about picking it up, I mean, come on, let's use our brains here. It's probably the cartel, it's probably a Brink truck, or it's the mother trucker just throwing out once. Now, I'm broke as shit, I don't have that type of money. But here's the thing. You know, now the police officers investigation, they're saying they're looking at these two people that went on vlogging people actually picking up this money.
We going to scissor that, baby.
And saying, hey, if you don't return it, you are going to jail.
We suggest that they come in before we come knocking on their door and just turn the cash in.
And you know, some people just got freaking greedy. You know, they're picking up heck of thousands of dollars, and the cops come, and at that point, you know, they arrest a few people as well. But mother truckers, you know, I understand four-wheelers are idiots, but come on. The truck drivers, the car hauler in the back, picking up just for a little bit of lunch money. You know, I don't know what to say, but mother truckers, what would you do? Because I know what I would do. I would take that freaking money and go. Just kidding.